On a bright, energetic day at Kuta Beach, the Bali Ocean Swim brought together passionate swimmers from across the world, and Nusa Medica Clinic was proud to stand by as the official medical standby team for the event. Our team, led by Dr. Gina Maharani, accompanied by Nurse Abdul and ambulance driver Ryan, was on location from start to finish, fully equipped, fully alert, and fully committed to safety. Thankfully, the event ran smoothly, with no serious medical emergencies. A few swimmers and crew members experienced minor injuries, scrapes, small wounds, and muscle strains, all treated promptly and professionally on-site by our standby team. This is what Nusa Medica stands for: fast, responsive, and reliable medical care, wherever and whenever it's needed. From local sports competitions to large-scale tourism events, Nusa Medica offers full medical standby support, including doctors, nurses, emergency equipment, and ambulance services. Planning an event? Let us keep your team and guests safe. Contact Nusa Medica today, and we'll send you a tailored medical standby proposal, because your safety is our priority, always. Nusa Medica, your island doctor, on duty, on time.